afternoon, everyone. I want to take you to a moment where I found myself on a track. As I look ahead of me, I see 5 men positioned. I too also position myself. On your mark, get set, go. 4th place, 3rd place. As I position myself into 2nd place, I look into the crowd and I see the smile of my father. The glow on his face propels me forward. Now I'm in 1st place and I see the finish line. Victory is right ahead of me, but snatched away by the blur of a man. Disappointed, I stare at my father, and man, was he proud. On your mark, I enter college. Get set. I graduate with my degree. Go. I enter the workforce, and man, was my father proud. On your mark, I get into my career. Get set. I climb the corporate ladder. Go. I earned a 6-figure salary, and man, was my father proud. As I continue to walk and run in this corporate race, as my smile gets more and more hollow, I stop. And I recognize this hollowness within the depths of my soul. I look back and ask myself, whose race was I running? Was it my father's? No. He's always been proud of me, no matter what I've done. So through that realization, I stopped. And I decided to run my own race. And man, am I proud. So what I want you to do, I want you to stop. Get on your mark. Be still. Listen to that voice inside of you. Get set. Pay attention to that path that's set forth for you. Go. Go into greatness. Go into the unknown. Go because that little voice inside that you've been suppressing from a childhood is screaming, free me. Just go. Go and be great. Thank you.